5 foods to stop cough naturally. Pineapple. It contains bromelain, an enzyme that reduces mucus and helps ease coughs. Peppermint. The menthol in peppermint helps relax the throat and loosen mucus. Turmeric. Its anti-inflammatory properties make it perfect for reducing irritation in your throat. Ginger. It's a powerful anti-inflammatory that can relax your airway muscles and clear congestion. Honey. Honey coats your throat, reduces irritation, and has antibacterial properties. If nature didn't make it, don't take it.